Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change document language in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Google Docs, and if we want to change document language, we need to go to the file menu. You can click on this file option right here, and then you have to scroll down until you find the language. And here you will be able to change the document language. As you can see, I'm using English language right now, and I'm going to change it. For example, I'm just going to select Indonesia. Okay, and now the document language has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change document language in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.